Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Follow me in the kitchen. Let me show you how I prepared this delicious Rasta pasta with jerk steak. Let's get started. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using Parmesan cheese, Monterey Jack, and sharp cheddar. I also have some bell peppers, heavy whipping cream, coconut cream, garlic, onions, some parsley, jerk seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, some all-purpose seasoning, and Italian herbs. These are my pasta I'll be using, but feel free to use any pasta of choice. So to a pot of boiling water, I added some salt, then in goes my pasta. Give it a stir and allow it to boil until it's tender or to your desired texture. Next, to a preheated pot, I've added some oil and I will go in with my bell peppers, onions, garlic. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to soften up. Once it softens up, we will add our heavy whipping cream or coconut cream. We will also add our jerk seasoning here and the rest of our seasonings. We will give it a stir and allow everything to come up to a simmer before adding the cheese. Once you add your cheese, you want to allow it to melt and thicken. Once it thickens, then you want to follow up with your pasta. Give that a good stir. And guys, this is so simple. This is basically it. You want to just garnish with your fresh parsley and you can get ready to plate and enjoy. But before we enjoy this, I'll show you guys how I prepare my jerk steak. So stay tuned for that. So today I'll be using 2 ribeye steaks. I already washed them and pat dry. I have some jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, and some paprika. So basically what I did was just combine everything. I just combine all the seasonings, mix well. Now jerk seasoning, it's very high in sodium, so you do not need a lot of seasonings or salt here. I just added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning for the flavor, and I added a little oil because I noticed once I was mixing everything it became a bit dry. So I added the oil for moisture, and then I went in and just coat my steaks really well with the jerk seasoning, and I'll allow it to sit and marinate for about 30 minutes or so. If you want to go longer, you sure can, but it was perfect in 30 minutes. Now to a preheated skillet, I will just go ahead and sear my steaks on both sides. Now the cook time vary depending on how you like your steaks. So I will cook mine for about 3 minutes per side because I like mine medium. But if you like yours well done, you can cook it for a longer period of time, like 5 minutes or so on each side. And once you flip your steak, it will look a bit dark in color, but it's not burnt. It's because of the jerk seasoning. It was perfect and super delicious and flavorful. I served it up with a Rasta pasta and enjoyed this meal. Now my husband, he wanted steak, and my daughter and mom, they wanted chicken. So I did this with some chicken wings as well. I plated up with chicken wings and the steak, and it was absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.